In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wix My Website, how to add HTML in Wix Editor. Open the Wix Editor for the site you want to work on. Once the editor loads, look to the left side toolbar and click the Add button. This is where Wix keeps all the elements you can place on your page. If you see multiple categories, that's expected. Wix groups items like single video players, custom, marketing tools, Velo Dev Mode, Lottie, and more in this panel. We're heading to the section that lets us embed code. Scroll or use the panel until you find popular embeds, then select Embed Code. From there, choose the HTML option. This is the element that lets you display custom HTML via an embedded frame. Click it to add it to your page. Wix will drop the element onto the canvas. With the HTML element selected, hover over it and open HTML settings. In the settings window, make sure you're on the HTML tab. You may also see other options like website address or code snippet, but for actual custom markup, choose HTML. Now paste your HTML code into the field provided. If you're copying from another source, it's a good idea to paste as plain text first to avoid stray characters. When you're ready, click Update or Apply to render the code in the editor. You should now see a preview of your embedded content inside the box on the page. If it looks cut off, that's normal. HTML embeds are displayed inside a container. You can drag the edges to resize the element so your content fits nicely within your layout. Keep in mind that some third-party scripts may be restricted by browsers or Wix security policies. Stick to trusted code and avoid anything that requests sensitive data. If you don't immediately find the HTML element in the Add panel, use the search field at the top and type HTML, then pick the HTML element from the results. Clicking it again will add another instance, so make sure you're editing the one on your page and not creating duplicates. When in doubt, select the element and confirm you're in HTML settings before pasting your code. When your embed looks good, click Save at the top right to keep your changes. Then click Publish to push them live. If a prompt appears, you can check Don't show this again